What a great day for a road trip. Hey, what?
Let's do this!
The Ronald's ready.
Oh, yeah, baby!
Oh man, cut the mouse in!
I can't think of a better way to check off more sites on my curiosity list.
What are we waiting for?
We start here and visit as many parks as we can.
Except for one thing, Nature Cat. We have to make sure we stop at every park and pick up a souvenir to prove that we were there.
And let's see how much nature energy we can collect along the way. Tally-ho! Who do you want to be on your road trip team? You can choose from 1 to 5 characters to play. Onward and trailward! Time to start our road trip! Spin that spinner! You can either tap on the center or swipe it.
Spin the spinner and your character will advance automatically. If there is a fork in the trail, choose the arrow that points in the direction you want to go.
Now... Onward and trailward! Nature Cat! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. It's my turn. There's so much nature to see.
Welcome to Niagara Falls. Smallmouth bass can survive a trip over Horseshoe Falls, one of the 3 falls that make up Niagara Falls.
You only have a short time to tap on as many of them as you can. The more you tap, the more nature energy you earn. Earn enough nature energy and win a park souvenir. Niagara Falls is made up of 3 waterfalls: American Falls, Horseshoe Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir!
Earn 100 points or more to win photos at the trip.
Onward and spinward! Onward and trailward!
Uh-oh, baby. A baby duck imprints on you. You lose 10. If you're me, Hal, or Ronald, you lose another 10.
The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Let's do this! There's so much nature to see.
You made it to Old Faithful, just in time to see it erupt. You earned 10.
Nature Cat! Onward and trailward!
Welcome to Yellowstone National Park. There are more geysers in Yellowstone than anywhere else on Earth. Old Faithful is Yellowstone's best-known geyser. It erupts several times a day. Steamboat Geyser is one of Yellowstone's more than 500 geysers. It's the largest in the world. When it erupts, it can reach heights of more than 300 feet. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir!
It's my turn. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Grampy Donald shows you how to tap a tree for sap. You earn 25. If you're me, Ronald, or Hal, you earn 10 more.
Onward and spinward! There's so much nature to see. The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! Onward and trailward! Let's do this! I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
You hike to the bottom of the Grand Canyon with Granny Bunny. Love you, Granny Bunny. You earn 25. If you're me, Hal, or my pal Daisy Tutu also, you get another 10.
Nature Cat! There's so much nature to see.
Welcome to Grand Canyon National Park. There are 22 species of bats that live in the Grand Canyon. Man, oh man, they fly fast. Can you spot them? Over a very long period of time, the Colorado River carved out the very deep canyon you know as the Grand Canyon. Erosion, am I right? You may spot the common chuckwalla basking on a boulder when hiking at the Grand Canyon. When it's scared, it wedges itself in small spaces between rocks by inflating its lungs with air.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
It's my turn. Onward and trailward. Onward and spinward. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Welcome to the Great Salt Lake. This salty body of water is an important stop for millions of migrating birds every fall and spring. Wait, did I just say that?
There are no fish in the Great Salt Lake. It's too salty. But you can find lots of tiny brine shrimp and brine flies. That's good eating for hungry migrating birds. The Great Salt Lake is one of the saltiest in the world. Much saltier than the ocean.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! There's so much nature to see. Green Bean Power, you earn 25. If you're me, Nature Cat, or my pal Squeaks, you get 10 more. Let's do this. Onward and trailward. Nature Cat. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Welcome to the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve. You'll probably hear a prairie chicken before you see one. They aren't so easy to find.
By the end of the summer, big blue stem grass at the Tallgrass Prairie may be as tall as 8 feet. The secret of the prairie is underground. There you can find a thick network of roots that can stretch as deep as 14 feet. Deep, strong roots help keep the soil healthy and plants strong no matter what is happening on the surface. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
It's my turn. There's so much nature to see.
No way, man. All the strawberries for Sadie are moldy. You lose 10.
Onward and spinward. Onward and trailward. The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. A little help here. You get stuck in gooey tree resin. You lose 25. If you're me, Nature Cat, or my pal Hal, you lose another 10. Let's do this. There's so much nature to see. Welcome to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Pele's tears are beautiful bits of lava that have hardened. Don't they look like teardrops?
Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is home to two of the world's most active volcanoes, Kilauea and Mauna Loa. A volcanologist is a scientist who studies volcanoes. They try to understand and predict volcanic eruptions and how volcanoes shake the land around them.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Nature Cat! Onward and trailward!
Time to round up some wildflowers. Ready, set, draw. You earn 25. If you're me, Daisy, the fastest draw in the West, or my buddy Nature Cat, you earn 10 more.
It's my turn. I I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Onward and spinward! There's so much nature to see! Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail! Ooh! Look at all the nature energy! Incredible!
Check out the photos from our trip! Ah, memories. What great pictures! You collected all the park souvenirs. Who wants to do it again?